Okay, we have a little wild parrot, Perico, see? And they found him in a tree, and they're raising him, and the sister says that she will feed him. She feeds him bread and cream. She said that she will feed him so that you can see him eat. Okay. Good. He says he's ready to eat. Él dice, sí, yo quiero comer.
Looks like you just stuff it down the hatch. That's the way we used to do with our kids.
Y entonces dice, solamente necesita ponerlo dentro. Eso es la manera de con niños.
No puede. Es posible para criar y comer al mismo tiempo.
Grita.
Grita.
Oh, wow, it takes a lot of energy. ¿Cómo puede saber cuánto necesita comer?
¿Le queda?
Oh, she says when he's eaten enough, he gets a little fat on his tummy. ¿Él tiene nombre?
Ángel.
¿Tiene ángel? No aparece como ángel.
No parece. ¿Él no tiene nombre?
Le puso Michelle.
Michelle? Okay, his name, it must be, her name is Michelle. So, él se cayó del nido?
No. Yeah.
So I asked her if he fell out of the nest. She said no. So, ¿usted robó el nido?
Sí.
So they robbed the nest. So that they could. ¿Usted ha hecho esto antes? Have you done this before? ¿Usted ha hecho esto antes? I need to get la hermana también. Okay, no más. Muéstrame su barriga llena. Aquí él tiene barriga llena.
No, y si uno le sigue dando, sigue comiendo.
So él quiere comer más que es bueno para él, ¿sí? He'll eat way more than is good for him. He just keeps eating even though he's full. So, okay. Now here's his little box. And he's just going to sit here and talk to us while we finish our music lesson. I love you guys. Goodbye.